Chapter 2. The Great Mountains. Learning Objectives: the Northern Mountains, Mountain Ranges, Mountain Passes, Living of the People. The Northern Mountains. The Northern Mountains are located at the top of our country. The Himalayas and the Karakoram mountain ranges form a part of Northern Mountains. The Himalayas are located around the north and the northeastern part of our country, while the Karakoram mountain ranges are located on the northwest part of our country. The Himalayas stretch from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Most of the peaks in the northern mountains are covered with snow throughout the year. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Its height is 8,848 meters. Mount Godwin Austen, also known as K2, is the second highest, that is 8,611 meter peak of the world. Many adventurous brave men and women have climbed the Himalayas. Tenzing Norgay and Sir Edmund Hillary were the first persons to climb Mount Everest in the year 1953. Bachendri Pal was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest in the year 1984. Fact File: Malavat Purna is the youngest Indian to climb Mount Everest in the year 2014 at the age of 13 years 11 months. Mountain Ranges. The Himalayas are made of three mountain ranges, namely the Great Himalayas or Himadri, the Middle Himalayas or Himachal, the Lesser Himalayas or Shivalik. The Great Himalayas, Himadri. At the top is the extreme north are the Great Himalayas, the Himadri. These ranges remain snow-covered round the year. Kanchenjunga and Annapurna are two peaks that are located in these ranges. Slow-moving rivers of ice called glaciers start from these glaciers. The Ganga and the Yamuna originate from two well-known glaciers of the Himalayas, the Gangotri and the Yamunotri, respectively. The Satluj, the Indus, the Brahmaputra are some other big rivers that originate from the Himalayas. Fact File: a glacier is a moving mass of ice. Himachal Ranges. The Lesser Himalayas or Himachal have heights ranging from 1800 meters to 4600 meters. The Himachal is a very beautiful stretch of mountains where rumbling waterfalls, meandering rivers, fertile valleys, lush green grasslands and luxurious forests make it a paradise for the tourist. Famous hill stations like Shimla, Kullu, Manali, Almora, Nainital, Mussoorie and Darjeeling are in this part of the mountains. They attract people from all over the world. Orchards of plums, pears and apples are widely found in these ranges. Many useful trees like pine, deodar, fir and oak are found here in plenty. Fact File: this range of Himalayas is covered with thick temperate forest. Shivalik Ranges. The Shivalik Ranges are the lowest. They lie in the extreme south of Himalayas. These ranges are known for their thick forests and wild animals such as tigers, leopards, bears and crocodiles. The foothills of Shivalik form the Terai region. Most of this region lies in Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. It is a marshy area that receives a lot of rainfall. The Terai regions has many national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. The Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand is a place of tourist interest. In the northeast of India are the famous Mizo, Garo, Khasi, Naga, Jaintia and Lushai hills. They are very high but are covered with dense forests. Mountain Passes. In Mountain Pass is a narrow path over and through the mountains which is either natural or man-made. Passes help people to travel from one region to another. Some important passes in the Himalayas are Rohtang Pass and Shikaila in Himachal Pradesh, Nathula in Sikkim and Bomdila in Arunachal Pradesh. Living of the people. There are some states and union territories that lie in the Himalayan area such as Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, north of West Bengal and some other northeastern states. Let us take a quick trip to some of the places of Himalayan region and find out about the life of people there. Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir is also called Paradise of Earth because of its natural beauty. Srinagar is the summer capital and Jammu is the winter capital of this union territory. The main languages spoken here are Kashmiri, Urdu and Dongri. Tourists visit Wular Lake and Dal Lake. These are the two famous lakes in Kashmir. Houseboats are found in Dal Lake. People take rides in small boats called shikaras. Tourists and pilgrims also visit Srinagar, Gulmarg, Vaishno Devi Temple and Amarnath Caves. Kashmir is cool in summers and very cold in winters. The Kashmiris use kangri, a small pot with burning coal, to keep themselves warm. Men and women generally wear firan, a woolen garment, and salwar. The main festivals celebrated here are Eid and Shivratri. People drink kava, a special type of tea. During the summer season, most people work in the fields. They grow rice, maize, rajma, vegetables, fruits and saffron. During the winter season, they stay at home and make handicrafts from wood and paper mache. Some weave silk and woolen clothes. The carpets and shawls of Kashmir are very famous. Ladakh. Ladakh is the newly established Union Territory of India. It is inhabited by a mix of Indo-Aryan and Tibetan people. The staple food of people living here are meat and milk products like cheese and butter. Goats, cows and dogs are owned by each family. Yak is a special animal found in this region. Kargil and Leh are the two capitals of Ladakh. Major languages spoken here are Ladakhi, Kashmiri and Tibetan. Himachal Pradesh. The capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. Himachal Pradesh is situated in the heart of the western Himalayas. Himachal Pradesh is well known for its hill stations Kullu, Manali, Dalhousie and Shimla. The language spoken are Hindi and Punjabi. The main occupation of people of Himachal Pradesh is agriculture. Rice, barley, maize and citrus fruits are grown here. This state is called the fruit bowl of India. The state is also well known for its handicrafts such as carpets, shawls, metalware, woodwork and paintings. Kullu is famous for shawls. Dharamshala is famous for paintings. The men wear kurta, tight pajama and embroidered caps. The women wear bright scarves. Nati is the famous folk dance of this state. Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand has mountains, hills, rivers and valleys. The mountains and some valleys in the state have snowfall in winter. Dehradun, which is a beautiful valley, is the capital of Uttarakhand. Mussoorie and Nainital are beautiful hill stations. Gangotri, Yamunotri, Badrinath, Kedarnath, Haridwar and Rishikesh are the famous holy places on the banks of Ganga and Yamuna rivers. Farming is done chiefly on terraced fields. Maize, barley and wheat are grown on terrace fields. The people of Uttarakhand speak Pahari and Hindi. They celebrate all Indian festivals, especially Diwali, Dashera and Navratri. The men of Uttarakhand wear kurta and pajama and women wear saris, kurta and pajamas. Sikkim and West Bengal. Sikkim is a very small state. It has high mountains and deep river valleys. The people belong to three main tribes, Lepcha, Bhutia and Nepali. The women wear boku and colorful jewelry made from beads. Sikkim is famous for orchids. The state of West Bengal stretches to the Bay of Bengal. Darjeeling, the beautiful hill station, is located here. The high quality tea grown here is popular around the world. Northeastern states. The northeastern part of India has 7 states. These are called the Seven Sisters. People in these states have their own customs, dresses and languages. Most of them are farmers and craftsmen. Arunachal Pradesh is the largest state in the northeast. It, however, has a small population. Itanagar is the capital city. People live in stilt houses. This protects them from rain and snakes. Brahmaputra river enters India through this state. Manipur is a small state with hills, valleys and lakes. Farming and weaving are the main occupations of people in Manipur. They also make beautiful articles from bamboo, cane and leather. The capital of Manipur is Imphal. Meghalaya gets the heaviest rainfall in the country. The tribal people living here are from Garo, Khasi and Jaintia tribes. They grow rice, jute, potatoes, sugarcane, pineapples and oranges. Shillong is the capital city and is a popular hill station. The capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people of this state. Mizo is the main language here. The bamboo dance called Chiro is famous dance. The capital of Nagaland is Kohima. Rice, maize, millets and oranges are grown here. The Nagas wear shawls of different designs. Naga people are accustomed of exposing their traditional culture on shawls. We will study about Assam and Tripura in the next chapter. Points to remember. The Himalayas are the highest mountains in the world. The 3 main ranges of Himalayas are the Himadri, the Himachal and the Shivalik. Most of the hill stations are situated in the middle Himalayas. The forests in Shivalik have been cut away and land is used for cultivation. The mountain region in north includes Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal and northeastern states. The main occupation of people of this region is farming. Rice, maize, vegetables and fruits are grown mainly in this.